Elon Musk, the enigmatic entrepreneur, has set his sights on a new frontier, the United States government. His weapon of choice? A controversial initiative dubbed the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. Musk claims DOGE, powered by blockchain technology, can streamline government operations and slash federal spending. However, his efforts have faced fierce opposition from an unexpected quarter labor unions. They argue DOGE poses a grave threat to worker rights, data security, and the very foundations of American democracy. At the heart of the controversy lies DOGE's insatiable appetite for data. To achieve its purported efficiency gains, DOGE requires unfettered access to sensitive information held by various federal agencies, including the Department of Labor and the Treasury. This data trove encompasses a vast array of personal and financial information, from workers' medical records and wage complaints to the social security numbers and bank details of millions of Americans. Unions view this data grab with deep suspicion, fearing it could be used to target workers, suppress dissent, and erode labor protections. Further fueling their concerns is the potential for conflicts of interest. Musk, despite his claims of altruism, is not a disinterested party. His vast business empire spanning electric vehicles, space exploration, and social media often intersects with the very agencies DOGE seeks to reform. Critics argue that access to troves of government data could give Musk's companies an unfair advantage, stifling competition and undermining the level playing field. The clash between Musk and the unions represents a pivotal moment in American labor history. Unions, already grappling with declining membership and a relentless assault on collective bargaining rights, view DOGE as an existential threat. They fear that Musk's brand of techno-libertarianism, if left unchecked, could dismantle the hard-won protections that have safeguarded workers for generations. Their anxieties are not unfounded. Musk has a long and contentious history with organized labor. His company Tesla, despite receiving billions in government subsidies, has vehemently resisted unionization efforts at its factories. Workers have alleged intimidation tactics, unfair labor practices, and a hostile work environment. This track record has left unions deeply skeptical of Musk's promises of efficiency and modernization. They see DOGE not as a tool for progress, but as a Trojan horse for dismantling worker power and enriching corporate interests. Faced with DOGE's relentless advance, unions have launched a multi-pronged legal assault to halt its implementation. Lawsuits have been filed challenging DOGE's authority to access sensitive data, alleging violations of executive power limits, civil servant protections, and data security laws. Judges, recognizing the gravity of the situation, have issued partial blocks on DOGE's access to certain systems, particularly those containing financial records and personal information. The legal battle is far from over. Unions are seeking preliminary injunctions to prevent further data sharing while the cases proceed. The Justice Department, caught in the crossfire, has offered conflicting accounts of DOGE's access levels, further muddying the waters. As the legal wrangling intensifies, one thing is clear: the fate of DOGE and the data it seeks hangs precariously in the balance. The DOGE controversy represents a cautionary tale about the perils of unchecked technological ambition. Musk's vision of a hyper-efficient, data-driven government may seem appealing on the surface, but it masks a darker reality. The erosion of worker rights, the concentration of power in the hands of a select few, and the potential for mass surveillance are just some of the dangers lurking beneath the veneer of progress. The battle over DOGE is ultimately a battle for the soul of American democracy. Will we allow technology to be used as a tool for oppression and control, or will we harness its power to uplift all citizens and create a more just and equitable society? The answer to this question will have profound implications for generations to come.